Imagine stepping into your own backyard, a place where every plant, every piece of furniture, and every little detail has been carefully curated to create an oasis of tranquility. Welcome to 2025, where garden design is no longer just about planting flowers or growing vegetables. It's about crafting an intimate, serene retreat that reflects your personal style and provides a haven of peace in our busy lives. Whether you're dreaming of sleek, modern planters, sustainable gardens that require minimal effort to thrive, or an outdoor setup designed specifically for relaxation, today's garden trends combine elegance, sustainability, and serenity to create spaces that are more than just beautiful, they're functional sanctuaries. In this video, we'll guide you through the top trends transforming gardens this year, showing you how to make your outdoor space not only stunning but also a peaceful retreat where you can unwind and recharge. Ready to make your garden your favorite place? Let's dive in. The importance of garden styling in 2025. In 2025, garden design has evolved from simple landscaping to a form of personal expression. It's no longer just about growing plants, it's about creating a sanctuary. Today, gardens are thoughtfully designed to blend seamlessly with your home's interior style, creating a unified space where the boundary between indoor and outdoor living fades away. Garden design is about sustainability, creativity, and functionality. Gardens aren't only aesthetically pleasing, but they also serve a functional purpose, whether that's providing food, reducing environmental footprints, or simply offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The focus is on creating an environment where you can relax, reconnect with nature, and recharge, making your outdoor space an integral part of your home. Trend number 1: modern planters and containers. Let's start with one of the most important elements of any garden: planters and containers. In 2025, modern planters are more than just vessels for plants. They're integral design elements that help define the aesthetic of your space. Gone are the days of traditional, simple pots. Today's planters come in bold, geometric shapes, minimalist designs, and sophisticated finishes that enhance the overall look of your garden. Materials like concrete, fiberglass, and ceramic are trending for their durability, weather resistance, and modern appeal. Concrete planters, for instance, offer a raw, industrial feel, adding depth and texture to your garden, while fiberglass pots have a sleek, contemporary look that complements minimalist styles. Metallic finishes in bronze, gold, and silver are also making a comeback. These luxurious finishes bring a touch of elegance to the outdoors, elevating your garden to new heights. And for those who want to go the extra mile in caring for the environment, sustainable planters made from recycled materials are gaining popularity. These eco-friendly options offer both style and sustainability, ensuring your garden remains beautiful without negatively impacting the environment. Trend number 2: sustainable gardening practices. Sustainability continues to be a driving force in garden design for 2025. Homeowners and garden enthusiasts alike are becoming more conscious of their environmental footprint and are adopting sustainable gardening practices that reduce water consumption, promote local wildlife, and minimize waste. Native plants are a fantastic way to create a sustainable garden that thrives with minimal maintenance. These plants are well suited to your local climate and provide habitats for pollinators like bees and butterflies. They also require less water and upkeep, which means your garden stays lush and vibrant without draining resources. Drought-resistant plants are another key feature of sustainable gardens. These plants are ideal for conserving water and ensuring your garden flourishes even during dry spells. Pair them with smart irrigation systems, such as rainwater collection systems, to further reduce your garden's environmental impact. Beyond the plants themselves, sustainable garden furniture and decor made from recycled materials are becoming more popular, making it easier than ever to integrate eco-friendly choices throughout your garden. The goal is to create an outdoor space that looks fantastic while contributing to a greener planet. Trend number 3: relaxing outdoor setups. With a growing desire for wellness and relaxation, outdoor sanctuaries are becoming an essential part of garden design. This year, transforming your garden into a serene, calming retreat is a top priority. Start by incorporating cozy outdoor furniture that encourages relaxation. Think plush seating with soft cushions, outdoor throws, and rugs that create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. These elements help make your garden feel like an extension of your home, offering a welcoming space where you can unwind. When choosing colors for your outdoor setup, lean into soft, neutral tones like beige, gray, and pastels. These hues evoke a sense of calm and contribute to a peaceful ambience. For added tranquility, consider incorporating lighting into your garden. Solar-powered lights, string lights, and lanterns can all create an enchanting glow after sunset, while candles provide an intimate, romantic touch. To complete the tranquil vibe, consider adding soothing sounds to your outdoor space. Whether it's the gentle trickle of a fountain, soft wind chimes, or the natural chirping of birds, sound plays a significant role in creating a peaceful atmosphere. Trend number 4: Outdoor kitchens and dining areas. If you love entertaining outdoors, creating a fully equipped outdoor kitchen and dining area is essential for 2025. These spaces are becoming more sophisticated, combining functionality with design for an all-encompassing outdoor living experience. Imagine hosting dinner parties under the stars, with a built-in grill, wine fridge, and stylish countertops. Outdoor kitchens are no longer just about a grill and a cooler, they're complete setups designed for cooking and entertaining, providing everything you need for a seamless outdoor dining experience. Natural materials like wood and stone are being used to create elegant countertops, dining tables, and even built-in seating. These materials foster a connection between the natural environment and your living space, making your outdoor kitchen feel like an organic extension of your home. Additionally, incorporating plants around your dining area can enhance the aesthetics of your space while improving the air quality. Raised garden beds filled with herbs, vegetables, and flowers can add both beauty and function to your garden, enriching the dining experience with fresh, homegrown ingredients. Trend number 5: Vertical gardens and green walls. For those working with limited space or looking to create a dramatic visual impact, vertical gardens and green walls are one of the hottest trends in 2025. By utilizing vertical space, you can maximize your garden's potential while adding lush greenery and beautiful textures. Green walls, which are composed of plants growing on vertical surfaces, provide more than just visual appeal. They also help improve air quality by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Whether you choose a trellis, wall-mounted planters, or a pre-designed green wall system, this trend allows you to bring the beauty of nature into your urban or suburban space. For an added touch of elegance, climbing plants like roses, jasmine, or ivy can create a cascading effect on the walls, filling your space with fragrant blooms. Vertical gardens are ideal for city balconies, small yards, or even the interior of your home, bringing nature indoors and creating a stunning focal point. Trend number 6: Zen and minimalist gardens. Zen gardens, with their focus on simplicity, calm, and balance, continue to inspire 2025 garden designs. These minimalist outdoor spaces are perfect for those looking to create a tranquil sanctuary that promotes mindfulness and relaxation. Zen-inspired gardens feature clean lines, simple stone features, and calming water elements. Pathways made of smooth pebbles or stones lead you through serene spaces, while a water feature, such as a small pond, fountain, or even a gently flowing stream, adds an extra layer of serenity. Plants like bamboo, succulents, and moss, with their soothing green tones and simple shapes, help to foster a peaceful atmosphere. Minimalist gardens are all about creating balance and harmony, making them perfect for meditation, yoga, or simply unwinding after a long day. Trend number 7: Tech integration in gardens. In 2025, technology is seamlessly integrated into garden design, enhancing both the functionality and enjoyment of your outdoor space. From smart irrigation systems to outdoor entertainment, tech is making it easier than ever to maintain and enjoy your garden. Automated irrigation systems are one of the most popular tech innovations, ensuring that your plants are watered efficiently without wasting resources. Smart lighting systems allow you to control the brightness, color, and timing of your garden lights via an app, creating the perfect ambience for any occasion. Outdoor speakers are also becoming an essential part of the garden experience, letting you enjoy music, podcasts, or audiobooks while you relax in the fresh air. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet evening, these tech features help elevate the atmosphere of your garden. As we wrap up, it's clear that 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for garden design. From modern planters to sustainable gardening practices and relaxing outdoor setups, today's trends are all about creating beautiful, functional, and peaceful outdoor spaces. Whether you're redesigning your backyard or just looking to make a few updates, these trends will help you craft a garden that's uniquely yours. A place where you can unwind, entertain, and reconnect with nature. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden styling tips and inspiration. We'd love to hear about your favorite garden trends for 2025, so drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Until next time, happy gardening, and may your garden be a true sanctuary.